What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to break down your ACC-B. So once it's time to break down and hit the road, we're just going to follow these steps in reverse, starting with removing the lights from the T-bar. To do that on our par light, for example, we're going to loosen up the wing nut here that's holding it to our T-bar. Then we can guide the light out just like this, and make sure that you don't lose this washer here. And then just take off the screw and the washer on top. Make sure that you don't lose any pieces of your hardware. So if you want, you can run the washer back onto the screw and secure the wing nut back onto the screw as well. And we're gonna do the same exact thing on the next light here. If any of the lights are secured too tight onto the T-bar, you can always use a wrench to hold the screw in place while you detach the light. The next thing we can do is bring the arms of the T-bar back down, and we recommend doing this one arm at a time just so that it doesn't suddenly collapse. So for example, I'm going to start with one arm here. I'm going to take the safety pin out, and then that way I can just ease the arm back down to the middle and then run the safety pin back in just like this. And we'll do the same exact thing with the second arm. So take the safety pin out, bring the arm back down, and then put the safety pin back in. Now to remove the T-bar from the stand, we're going to go to the side knob here and loosen it up. And then once it's loose, we can pull the T-bar off of the stand just like that. Don't forget, we also have the included bag here, so we can take the T-bar and fit it right inside of the bag, just like this. And now we're all set to take the T-bar out to our next gig or event. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to break down your ACC-B. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.